Alhamdulillahi alladhi kafa wa salamun ala ibadihi alladhina istafa amma ba'd. Respected teachers, honorable judges, and my dear friends, today I would like to tell a story about an honest boy. So let's begin. Stop! Don't move! The robbers threatened the boy. They came nearer and asked for his baggage. The pretended boy opened up his bundle in front of them. They searched his baggage, but couldn't find anything valuable in it. Some papers and torn clothes. That was all. They searched throughout his body. Nothing was found. They were about to leave. Hey boy, don't you have any money? Asked the robbers. Yes, I do, the boy said. At first, they thought the boy was teasing them. Hey naughty boy, are you teasing me? Bring it up. The boy took out some gold coins, which he was hiding under the cuffs of his shirt. He handed over it. It was 40 dinars. The robbers were struck. They couldn't believe their eyes. It was their first experience that someone told about their secret belongings. At such a circumstance, everyone, as usually, hides everything for us. Surprised at this unusual experience, the head of the gang asked, "Hey boy, what made you tell us the truth?" The boy stood thinking about his mother for a while. It was she who had sent him to Baghdad. It was the commandment of the deceased husband Abu Salih who had parted with them. My friends, I would like to ask a question to you. Anyone know what is the real name of Abu Salih? Oh, I am not remember it. What is the name of? Yes, Musa. Musa is the real name of Abu Salih. Remember it. Don't forget. Okay? Let's attend our story. During the days, Baghdad was the capital of Islamic knowledge. So she wanted to send her son to Baghdad in order to meet and learn from its great scholars. All what? She was possessed 80 dinars, which he asked the boy to take with him. But the kind boy only took half of the amount and left the other half to his mother. The mother knew that the way to Baghdad was not that safe. On the way, bandits often used to rob the travelers. So she kept the money inside the cuffs of his shirt and stitched it to it. When he was about to go, the mother gave some advices. My dear son, never tell a lie in your life. It was these words of his mother which revealed the truth to the bandits. The head of the gang moved at the words of the boy. It made him retrospect himself. The head of the gang returned the boy's money back and let him go. The gang chief was deeply influenced by this incident. Following this incident, the gang chief and his group members gave up their robbery and started a good life. My friends, anyone know who is this boy? Yes, the boy was Sheikh Abdul Qadir Jilani. Friends, are you remember what is the real name of Abu Salih? Okay, Musa. Okay, he is the father of a well-known personality in Islamic history. So I'm concluding my story. Wa akhiru da'wati alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.